Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have QCY T13X headphones and I'm going to show you how can I easily do a hard reset of this device. So, at first you have to close the case and then open it back. Now we have to hold our finger on this button over there for at least 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. As you can see, the LED light went red, and this is a sign that our headphones are resetted. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.